Hi, welcome to another episode of Bridget Tries Wine. Bourbon girl, testing this out in Texas. Today's wine is Superiore Romagna Sangiovese Superiore. It is a 2015 red wine. Gregorina.it is their website. Again, another website was very difficult to find their Instagram. This one was a pain in the ass because I literally had to get my needle nose pliers to get the cork out. So that whole do it off center because that's the best way, really bad advice. Really bad advice. Cork got stuck and actually the bottle chipped. I don't know if you can see that. Really annoying. Also, I have been eating my HEB chips with salsa, Mark's Good Stuff, ranchera salsa mixed with Chobani Greek yogurt because I'm a California transplant in Texas and we eat chips and salsa. Although, speaking of Texas, thank you and major shout out to Carol Steven of yoursocialmediaworks.com for giving me this beautiful, huge Texas-shaped cutting board made by my friends Sandy and Elmer in Windsor, Vermont, and they are called Creative Woodworking. They do lots of fun stuff. I used to have a heart, but I had to get rid of it when I packed my car. So when I do have some people over, and it's great because I don't have a cutting board, but when I do have some people over, it would be great to make a charcuterie board here. But anyway, enough of that. Product placement. Not getting funded by HEB, Gregorina, or Mark's Lone Star Certified Good State. This is very good, by the way. This is worth eating. Okay, so also I have Ghirardelli Intense Dark. I was told I should be trying this with dark chocolate. Whatever. Okay, so this is a 2015 red wine from Italy. And again, it's a Sangiovese. My friend Warren Laine-Naida recommended this as one of the types and that I should try. There was a bunch of other ones that I was supposed to try. This bottle's been open for an hour. I didn't want to wait till 5 o'clock because I got other stuff to do. I'm going to be doing some Facebook tutorial videos, so watch my channel. I mean, I don't know about the whole leg thing. That's just really odd. I don't see legs on this at all. What does it say? What the alcohol content is? 13.5%. So this is supposed to be a good wine. It's like $18. I'm going to tell you something else. If I can't salvage inkberry in some kind of sangria, which it's still up to this high, it's going bye-bye. You know, I had no problem finishing Norton Bodega's Malbec 2017. That was good. I mean, it's definitely wine. Like I said, it's definitely wine, but you know, there's a thing to it. So I know this is going on and on and on. Let's try this. Okay. As I've said before, it's definitely wine. It has that tannin acidity. But it does, now I see what they mean about full-bodied. We have that in bourbon, where you want it to feel like it's something you could almost chew or something like that. I've heard described, it feels like there's something in your mouth. It's not just watered down nothing. And you still feel that kind of alcohol taste. Some of the things I've been reading about wine say that you have to balance all these different things, like 6 different things: acidity, tannin, fruit, body, whatever. This is really good. It's not super sour. It just like my aftertaste right now is, yeah, I want some more. And this is just me eating chips and salsa, not a brie or whatever. And the truth is, what cheese do I have right now? I have pepper jack cheese because that's what I like. Very good. Okay, so cashews. I still have cashews. Cashews is one of my snacks. They have great source of protein. They have that little sweet taste at the end. I love cashews. Okay, let's see. Yeah. All right. Chips and salsa. I'm going to just take a little bite because nobody needs to be watching me eat all this. Mm. Oh, what is it, Dave's again? No, Mark's. I keep wanting to say it's Dave's. Mark's good stuff. Okay, that is not a good combo. It's okay, but whoa. I think it's the spiciness made this taste like, whoa, like wrong. I'm sure there's some fancy way of saying it, but it made the wine feel bitter. Let's try the chocolate. I know I should have unwrapped it because now we got all this noise. Now this is 86% cacao or cocoa or whatever. Cacao! It's our safe word. It's a Portlandia reference for you nerds. Just gonna take a little bit. I'm not gonna fill my stomach. I mean, dark chocolate is definitely chocolate, right? It goes really well with chocolate. See, these people that like wine and chocolate, they know what's really going on. So, like, let's just do a comparison, okay? So, right now, I'm super digging the Evan Williams 100 proof white label. So, how you drink bourbon is you have a tumbler. I'm gonna pour just a little bit, and I don't want to ruin my wine because this is good wine. So, just to compare, right? And then you want a little bit of ice. Just a little bit of ice. You're just gonna let it be in there for a minute, like 7 seconds, and then you're gonna ditch the ice. That's it. Like just no opening the bottle for an hour. Oh, that's good. Okay, so cashews. I love cashews. See, that's not good. Remember when I had the wine after the chips and salsa, and then the wine tasted sour? That's what my Evan Williams tasted like after the cashews. So I'll do a little chip with my salsa mixed with Greek yogurt, unsweetened. Mmm, so good. See, bourbon, tequila, really goes. And this chocolate is it's gonna be exactly the opposite. I'm telling you right now, because the wine is sweeter. It's gonna be terrible. I just know it. Huh? Not bad. So maybe the dark chocolate, 86% intense, is more neutral when it comes to liquor. And wine is liquor, by the way. I hate how it's not considered liquor, but give me a break. A glass of wine is equivalent to a shot of whiskey, so not really that big of a deal. Anyway, definitely this Bourbon Girl approves. This is an $18 bottle of wine at Specs. I would buy it again. I would bring this to a dinner party. And yeah, again, it's Gregorina Romagna Sangiovese Superiore 2015. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oops, sorry. Those are my HEB chips. Oh, yeah.